wanted to definitely ask you that how was growing up? How was your childhood? How was your, just give us a little insight into your childhood.
Okay, so I went to school initially Bombay Scottish as junior KG, senior KG, and then I went to Mount Abu as in a boarding school, St. Mary's Mount Abu. So in Mount Abu, my whole school was in a jungle. I had bears, I had panthers, snakes, birds, fish. So I just lived in that life. So 9 months in the year, I was in boarding school. 3 months I came down. So from my third standard till the 10th standard, I was kind of living independently in a boarding school. And so then when I came back, uh, I didn't know anybody. And then there's a person a friend of ours who used to live in my building, Prakash Chandi Ramani. And he got me in touch with a band from Mahim in the fisherman colony. Abhi wo typical orchestra, and they used to call themselves Blue Diamond Orchestra. Not orchestra. After now, Blue Diamond Orchestra. Orchestra. So I ended up joining Blue Diamond Orchestra. So it was crazy because the saxophone player was a screen printer. The trumpet player, the trumpet player was a.
I have done screen printing. So people who don't know screen printing, it's extremely tedious. आपके visiting card वगैरह जो छपते हैं ना, एक स्क्रीन में स्क्वीजी घुमानी पड़ती है. मैं जब करता था तो एक बार स्क्वीजी घुमाने के 10 पैसे मिलते थे. पूरा दिन हम लोग छापते थे, 10,000 कार्ड छापते थे, तब 1,000 रुपए मुश्किल से हो पाते थे, 100 रुपए 150. Anyway, yeah.
So the saxophone player was a screen printer. The trumpet player was a BST bus driver. All that. And we had a Kishore voice. We had a Rafi voice. We had all these and lovely people. But I used to get 30 rupees for a show.
Yeah.
So 30 rupees में कुछ बनता ही नहीं because we used to rehearse every day literally, and that is 60 days. उसमें मेरा equipment लेके जाओ तो $60 was going only in transport, and I'm getting 30 for a show. But I used to play with them. I got to play at the very base level of India. So I'm playing in Satpati. I'm playing in Umbergaon. I'm playing on the station at Palghar.
Wow.
I'm in Dharavi. I'm playing for Vardharajan's Ganpati.
Wow.
I've been playing on Ganpati pandals on the road. So I got to really experience public.
Hasn't playing in your early years, playing so close to the audience, has that influenced your music in some way? Do you think that the young artists, I'm taking a little detour, but I'm asking this, it's important for the young musicians and the young performers to know that early connect with the audience and to repeatedly play with smaller gigs and then going big and interacting with live audience. Does that, how that becomes influential and important in becoming a more complete musician?
I think that allows you to realize what people respond to. Like, if I have done quite a few shows of mine with 5 unreleased songs back to back. But I know exactly where the people are going to scream. And they've never heard the song before. But they all scream in Hyderabad in the same place, in Delhi in the same place, in Jamshedpur at the carnival in the same place.
Wow.
So then you realize, you learn.
Yeah.
So you figure out. So another thing I used to do a lot was I'd go to clubs. I'm not gone there to dance. Yeah, I'm a choreographer's son, so I've got dance in my system. But I'm watching everybody's body. What's it moving like? What's the groove? What is the way they're moving, and what's actually driving them to kind of dance like that? What's the music that is driving them to dance like that? So I'm just kind of curious all the time. So having played at a very base level, and then also playing with Louis Banks and jazz with Ranjit Baro, then it's another kind of audience which is, it's much more elitist, it's much more whatever. And then you got this Janata on the road. But somewhere there is a connect. Being Indian and being non-Indian, there are two different. So in non-Indian people, generally, a Western person, they have a different clave. Every region in the world has a clave. So
clave means?
A clave is a specific rhythm that their DNA follows. So if you go to South America, it's
okay.
वो उनका clap.
और गुजराती थी ढिंग टक टिक टक टिक टक टिक टक ढिंग टक.
All India, if you look at India and you go Western, you 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn out, 1.
Yeah. So that's their clave.
So that is a very international clave. Indian clave is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
So clave, this is the clave of every region. They like I've done a lot of music for in Muscat for Oman ads. But I've got to be careful of the kind of clave that I will use because it should not sound like Saudi Arabia. Just like we say, "Arey, ye to North Indian, wo to South Indian lagta hai." We understand that.
That much of micro adjustments you have to make.
There, all over the world, they have got their clave. Each region of the world has got its own rhythm, which it follows. Their DNA follows. I know, like if you go to Cuba, it's got. आपको समझ ही नहीं है सम का है पापा पापा सब बताया तो यू आर इडियट बिकॉज दे फील द ऑफ दे फील द सम तो आप सम बताओगे तो यू आर इडियोटिक म्यूजिशियन क्या आप सम पे बजा रहे हैं
बट लेस्ली सर अगर कोई नया यंग म्यूजिशियन है और वो इफ ही वांट्स टू परफॉर्म विद डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ऑडियंसेस इज देयर एनी डेटा अवेलेबल वेयर हाउ कैन ही लर्न और हाउ कैन ही he can kind of customize or cater their own songs to different audiences? How do you do that?
See, that's arrangement. Like I can like maybe in some time on my Instagram you might find I was requested Dabba Walas in Bombay. They're a very big thing. Yep. So one of the important days for them some time back, they requested me, can I come and jam with the Dabba Walas because they always have their manjiras and their dholki and all.
Can I please see that or hear it because I'm writing a film on Dabba Walas.
Okay, so I'm sitting on the road in church outside Churchgate station on the road, fully sweating. It's 12 in the afternoon. The Dabba Walas have exactly 15 minutes for all the trains to come in and they collect the dabbas and 15 minutes onwards, they are all going. So they have only 15 minutes to jam with me. So I'm jamming a Marathi bhajan and the same beat, ding, yaro, dosti. I'm jamming, Sadi, Dappa, whatever with them and they're all playing Manjira. It's so rocking and I'm sweating but it was that 15-minute I got to jam with all of them.
Is there any recording of it available?
Yeah, I have the video. I have the video. So hopefully at some point.
Where can I see it?
I'll send you the link.
Oh, thanks. Thank you so much.